Alright, so another day, another vlog. So nana sa tay bagong we have a new to unbox. This is a car washer. We ordered this in Shopee. So okay, let's unbox this. So I'm very curious about this because ito yung para sa car wash. Again, this is not paid review. This is just something we bought from Shopee. So I don't know how to. Okay. So there, it's open. So okay, this is wireless. So this is the gun. So this is the charger. And whatever this is, we have to find out what's this for. And then of course the hose. I don't know what this is for, but this is the to connect the hose basically, and this is the charger. So the brand is Makita. So this is Makita. So I'm not really sure if this is a legit Makita brand. So this is just something I found in Shopee. So we'll have to test this tomorrow. It's very easy to install. You just have to press this to detach from the gun. So to install the battery, simply just slide, it pops, and that's good. Press this to detach. So that's just very simple. And so alright, where to charge, that's something I have to find out. I don't know where, but here. So this is the charger. This is where you plug the charge. So pretty much it. Very basic. I'll just have to show you how it works, and if this really works as what we expect, how this gadget or tool to be used for. Alright, thank you so much for watching B Travels 23, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for any suggestions. Alright, thank you. This is B Travels 23. I appreciate you staying with us. So hello guys, ito yung nasa package natin. Okay, this is Makita wireless water pressure. So may dalawang battery tayo, ito, and then there's the charger. So to charge, meron itong connector dito. So at first nahirapan akong but hindi naman mahirap talaga. So what hanapin mo lang, meron ditong connector. Okay, connect mo lang dito, then plug. So just basic charging. So this is the hose, obviously. So this is how to connect. At the end of the hose, you have to put this. This is a filter. Ito yung ilalagay nyo sa tubig, i-dip nyo, and then on the other end, lagay nyo muna dito sa ito, lagay mo na dito before you connect to the water pressure gun. So dito, lagay nyo dito. Simple lang. You just insert it there, wait for a click sound, and then i-lock nyo lang din. So, ito. And then, this one. So, ito yon, kukonect nyo dito. Simple lang. Actually, very simple lang to para ikabit. Wala namang just basic. Kahit sino magagawa ito. So, this is the tricky part. Kasi pag aandar na to, yung tubig malalaki. So, there's no splinter. I don't know if that's the correct term for this. So, there's two types. I'll show you later how to use this. So pretty much it. This is how you do it. And then lagay nyo lang dito yung splinter. Ito. So ito. Okay na yan. And then yung battery, ito yung battery. So you just slide to remove, press, and then slide again. So this is pretty much it. And then that's it. Thank you for watching B Travels 23. Don't forget to like and subscribe, alright? Yeah, it's pretty na ko din.